Over 7,000 children haven't been vaccinated in Hyderabad, Pakistan. As many as 7,675 children under the age of 5 out of a target of 339,000 in Hyderabad, Pakistan were not immunized for polio during a 5-day vaccination campaign, which concluded on Thursday. According to various sources, up to 7,009 children were absent when the polio vaccination teams visited their homes in a door-to-door campaign, and 666 children were not vaccinated as their parents had refused the immunization on their behalf. The Deputy Commissioner of Hyderabad personally visited dozens of families who had originally refused the immunization on behalf of their children and managed to convince the parents to allow the vaccination team to administer the polio vaccines. Imran Aslam, SA Times, Lahore.